Real quick, you guys know what I was here last month to talk about? You remember? Yeah. It started with a D. Yeah. Diversity. Diversity. Some of you might have seen me talk about bullying the month before that. But anyways, coming here every month to talk to you about really important things. Okay? Today the word is truthfulness. You guys know what truthfulness means? What does truthfulness mean? Yeah. Nice? Be nice? Yeah. Be kind, don't hurt each other? Yeah. You have to be nice to one another even if they look different. That's great. That's diversity too. Yes. Tell the truth. Yeah. What about tell the truth? What does that mean if you tell the truth? Yeah. Don't lie. What about stealing? Should you steal? No, don't steal. What were we going to say? Anybody back here? What were we going to say? And then they get in trouble possibly if someone finds out, right? Okay, what are we going to say? Be honest. That's the word I was looking for. Honest. Honesty. Be truthful, don't lie. Well, guess what, guys? The other day, I was outside talking to one of my friends who's a principal for a different school. And he was telling me about this boy at his school that he caught throwing rocks at the side of the building. He was throwing these rocks just about this size, trying to break that bell. You know what that bell that rings in the morning time? He was trying to break that. And Nobody was near him, he was by himself. And then the principal finally looks through the window, he's like, and he runs outside and he's like, hey, what are you doing? And he's like, nothing, nothing. He's like, don't say nothing, I saw you throwing rocks at the building. And then he said, well, I didn't think that I'd get caught. I didn't think that somebody would see me. Now, does it still make it right if you don't get caught to do something like that? No, it doesn't, you're right. But here's the deal, guys. When we're talking about truthfulness, when we're talking about character, which is what is inside of you and who you are, if you have true character and integrity, or what you do matches what you say, your words match your actions, when we're talking about that, true character is not when somebody's watching. It's when somebody's not watching. Because right now, I can watch all of you and see if you're listening, paying attention, being respectful, and I can judge your character like that. But true character is when I'm not around, your parents aren't around, your friends aren't around, you're alone, and you're faced with a decision to be honest and truthful. That is true character. If you still make the right decision when nobody's looking. Okay? Now, I need some volunteers. Let's get, hey, you come up here. You, come on. Yes, you. And right next door. Okay, come on. Come on up here. Yes, you. Lyons. Johnson. Yeah, come on up here. And you. And you. And you. Come on. All right. Come over here. Come over here, guys. Over here. Yes. Over here. Come on this side. This is what I'm operating today. All right, come on over here. All right, guys, listen. Here's the situation, okay? What is your name? Amber, come over here. Step over here. Thank you. What is your name? Kennedy? All right, Amber, Kennedy. No, Kennedy, you come over here. All right, now listen, here's the deal. Amber's new to school. She's a new girl in school, okay? So she hasn't made a lot of friends yet, so she's still trying to make some new friends, okay? Now, Kennedy comes up to Amber, and she says, Amber, you want to be my friend? And Amber says, yes, Kennedy. Okay, great. So now we're friends. Now, then Kennedy goes back over to her other friends already, okay? So come on over. All right. You guys can like kind of group over, come together close, yeah? So you guys know each other. Good. All right, now, you guys are going to go to the movies. What movie do you want to see? Planet of the Apes. Okay, so we're going to go see Planet of the Apes, and then go see Smurfs. So, now, Kennedy says, hey guys, can I bring my new friend Amber? And you guys are all like, no, boo, boo. So say that. Say no, boo, boo. Okay, great, good emotion. All right, and then you guys say, we don't want to be seen with that new kid. All right, say with some more attitude. We don't want to be seen with that new kid. We don't want to be seen with that new kid. Okay, that's more like it. So, here's the situation. Here's the choice that Kennedy has to make to be truthful or not. Because she could pretend that she got the flu, right? She got the flu, and she's like, oh, I'm sick, I have a tummy ache. I don't feel good. And then, after she tells Amber that, then she could just pretend to not be sick and say, all right guys, now let's go to the movies. Should she do that? Why not? Yeah. Because you're lying? Yeah. She's her friend? Yeah. Because she should be nice to her, yeah. Did I make the right choice? Yeah. Hurting her feelings. What were you going to say? Don't be mean. Okay. I'll get you guys to the next example. Now listen. Pretend that Amber doesn't find out. Is it still right to do it? What if she found out 2 weeks later? Do you think she'd feel worse? Yeah, it's probably her. She'd feel left out. She'd feel devastated. So it's not always easy though, guys, because you have almost 10 of your friends telling you to do something. How many of you guys have ever heard, put your hand up if you have. If you ever heard, if you do this, then I'll be your friend. You ever heard that before? Yes. Or if you don't do this, then I won't be your friend. Ever heard that before? Look at it. I don't think your true friends, if they're really your friends, would make you choose between trying to include a new person that makes them feel welcome and not including them, if they were your true friends. Give these guys a round of applause. You guys have a good job. Good job, guys. All right. Guys, peace time. We only got 10 minutes, okay? Peace time. Listen. This is my giant pencil, yes. I do use it to write. Just like this. And it's up. I do it. Well, it's not easy. I have to bite it with my mouth. I'm joking. All right, now. When I was your age, right? I was playing baseball outside my parents' house with my bat. So let's just pretend this is a bat, okay? And it was a metal bat, okay? Aluminum. Now, the bat was slippery, had some tape on it, and when I went to swing, I accidentally let it go. And it went out of my hands, right through my parents' front window. How many of you guys have ever heard, or how many of you guys have ever said, my parents are going to kill me? Anybody ever said that before? Okay, now listen, you might have gotten into big trouble, but they didn't kill you because you're still here today with me breathing. So that's good. But I tried to hide that broken window. I tried to hide it from my parents finding out for 2 weeks. Tried to hide it. When my dad finally found that it was broken, and that it had been broken for 2 weeks, do you think he was more mad than the way told him right away? Oh yeah. And I got in a lot of trouble. But you know what? I had a kid in 3rd grade who walked to me the other day after an assembly, and he said, Mr. Peace, do I still have to tell the truth, even though it's really, really hard? I said, yes. He's like, what if it's something that's like so bad? Do I still have to tell the truth? I said, yes. Because here's the thing. If you see one of your friends maybe trying to steal something from the store, even like a candy bar, if you tell the truth up front, there's still going to be consequences. People might still get in trouble, but they're going to get in a lot less trouble than if you tried to hide it. And I was walking the other day, and this little boy comes up to me, he says, hey mister, are you my daddy? And I said, no, I'm not your daddy, I'm Mr. Peace. And he said, well, mister, if I found a wallet, do I have to return it and get it back? And I said, yeah. He's like, well, what if there's $100 in there? I said, yes. What if there's $1,000 or $2,000, Mr. Peace? I said, yes. And the reason why? Because it's the right thing to do. The right thing to do. Now, I need a couple more volunteers. Yes, you come up here, peace signs. You with the Angry Birds and the pink and black. Alright, guys, if I didn't get you today, I'll be back again next month to try to get more people. Okay, listen, here, come over here. What is your name? Nicole, can you see over here? Okay, great. Let's walk a couple more steps. Good. What's your name? Anaya? Good, Greg? Greg, okay, Greg. You guys stay right here. Anaya over here. Next one over here. Listen. Anaya, blue, blue. I blue. And Greg, you hold. Bowling ball. Okay, now. Is it ready? Yeah? Okay. I'm trying to help you. You got it? Okay, good. So, listen guys, I compare people to bowling balls and balloons. So, bowling balls are people that have high character, okay? They have true character, they have integrity, they're honest. It takes courage to be honest, common sense. but they're truthful, they don't lie. And if something hits them, it doesn't matter. It bounces right off. If people try to tell them to do something, even though it's not right, it doesn't matter. Because they're bowling balls. They're solid. Okay? Now, well, the shoes I like those shoes. Now, people that are balloons are full of air. They're weightless, they just kind of go every direction. You know? People that are balloons just follow. They follow the crowd. They follow the masses. They follow other people. They don't make the right decision for themselves, what's in their heart. They just go with the flow. Even though maybe the flow isn't right. So those are people that are balloons. What happens if someone hits a balloon? If it's hard enough, it's going to pop, isn't it? Right? Now, what do you think is going to go farther if Anaya and Greg roll these over towards Nicole? What's going to go farther? The bowling ball or the balloon? You guys take the bowling ball? All right, let's find out. She's over here, Nicole. I'm sorry, Anaya. I know, sorry, Anaya. I had it right the first time. All right, stay back line. I'm line. All right, so listen. So Greg, you're going to roll that towards Nicole. Nicole, try to stop it. You're going to go, try to do it as far as you can. You're going to throw that balloon as far as you can towards Nicole, okay? When I say go. Go. Okay. All right. All right, so the bowling ball. All right, guys, you guys have a seat. You guys have a seat. Give a round of applause. Good job, guys. Good job. All right. Anaya, do you have my balloon? Anaya, do you have my balloon? I just gave it to you. Where'd you go? Guys, listen, hey, guys, we're talking about truthfulness and being honest. Where's my balloon at? Where's that? Guys, don't lie. Don't lie. Come on. Guys, listen, we're talking about truthfulness today. Be truthful. Where's my balloon? Okay, all right. I know. Good job. Sometimes Mr. Peace tells jokes. All right, now, what I want to do, guys, we got a couple more minutes left, okay? A couple more minutes left. I'm going to give some things to Mrs. Quasarano today, okay? That if you guys, if your teachers, or even some of your friends, or Mrs. Quasarano sees you guys doing really nice things for each other, okay? That you're respecting diversity, that you're not bullying, that you're being friendly, that you're being honest, okay? I'm going to leave some puzzles with her, okay? I'm going to have one of these. They're really cool puzzles. I got some of my CDs, some of my hip-hop CDs I'm going to leave her, okay, some music. And I got some hats, and I gave her some buttons too, okay? Sound good? Okay. Now, we got to learn this song, guys. And I'm going to give you guys some lyrics too. If you want to know the lyrics to my songs, I'm going to give her those too, okay? So, here's how this song goes. It's called Truthfulness, and we're going to sing the first 4 lines of the hook, which is the chorus, or the refrain. We have to repeat it, okay? So here's how it goes, without the music. Hey, truthfulness, it's what we really need. Yo, we gotta be honest, yeah, that's what we gotta be. My peeps, even though it's not easy, and your friends may dislike you, do it pretty pleasing, because it's the right thing to do, the truth. Cool? Alright, let's try it again. You guys want to try with me? Can you guys see the words? You guys can't see them? Alright. Can you see my little mouse pointer? See where it says hey? That's where we're going to start at, okay? So it's go like this. So you guys got to kind of like go like snap your fingers or like that. You guys can do it to the beat. Yeah, you guys can do that. Alright, here we go. Hey, truthfulness is what we really need. Yo, we gotta be honest. Yeah, that's what we gotta be. My peeps, even though it's not easy, and your friends may dislike you, do it pretty easy, cause it's the right thing to do. The truth. All right, good job. Now, peace for a second, guys. I'm going to try with some music, okay? And you guys want to get up? Yeah. Dance with me, you have to look too, okay? Okay. Okay, here we go, guys. Ready? Hey, truthfulness is what we really need. Yo, we gotta be honest. Yeah, that's what we gotta be. My peace to be the best making friends just like you. Ooh, we pretty easy. Cause it's the right thing to do. The truth, yo, go. Tell the truth, son. It's kind of sex, but we're sticking to break the window. That's what is happening. And when you're in a mess, be honest. And give you the truth off the chest of the West End. The consequence with the kitchen in. You take your stuff, get some action. Get you in trouble. Look at the pain, right? Truthfulness. We're ready to represent. Hey, truthfulness is what we really need. And we gotta be honest with me. For everybody to be truthful. Do this. It's so truthful. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now listen. When I say truth, you all say full. Truth. And when I say I, you all say yes. I. Yes, I. And when I say no, you all say lies. No. And when I